All right, here we go with the watch list video for Thursday, December 28th. Another narrow range on the SPY. This is not uncommon. Talked about this yesterday. Um, we're in a holiday week, and we're just trying to root out the good ones, which we're doing a pretty good job in the chat. But just keep in mind it's a low volume holiday week. I'm going to scroll our website over here, greatstockpicks.com. That's with an X. Take some time, go there and go to the trading course, and we've got just a few days left where you can get lifetime membership to our trading course, all of them, and our chat room. We've got a combo special, or if you're already a chat room member, a half price special on the trading course alone. Highly worth the time, and I think there's only like a few days left on that special. So after, I think it's January 1st, that's probably going to end. So keep that in mind. And we are very proud of what we're doing, and we're turning traders around. We actually get you to the point where you're going to log in every day and know exactly what to do, and instead of logging in every day wondering what the hell you're going to do, right? And wondering if you're going to blow up your account. We teach you not to do that, and that's probably the most important thing we can teach you. But anyway, I want to go into the watch list here for tomorrow. Let's see real quick. FH. Very strong close. This one was on watch today. Never gave a good setup, so there's no trades in it. But it's absolutely, real strong move here. Then it gaps down. Next thing you know, it's worked its way back over the last couple days. Absolutely worth watching tomorrow. I like the volume today. Only with a proper intraday setup. IZEA, kind of a quiet inside day, inside of yesterday's big range. So this was certainly interesting over today's high, which was 473. Maybe a different setup. We'll see, depending on how it trades on an intraday basis. SYS. We've been kind of keeping an eye on this one. It hit $1.18, or I say $1.19 right there, and let's see. Let me get this right. This was $1.23. I got it wrong. Sorry, $1.23 and $1.23, both early December and then just the other day, and kind of sneaking back up. So I really like this one for a potential long. Again, only with a proper intraday setup. IPWR. Okay, this one looks extremely toppy, right? But the reason I like it is because it's been trading really well. Really, really well. Gapped up today. Let's go to 5-minute candles. Gapped up, and this was kind of my favorite at this point. And you can see it opened right here at 187. As it started to come up here, almost have to use 2-minute candles to show you how it transpired. Okay, so as it started to come up here, I called it long as long as you could get in below the early high. I think I said 187, 188. See the volume coming in. It's just a classic gap up, sellers coming in, sellers winning because it takes out the lows, and then all of a sudden it's popping, right? So I want to get long at one, and I think I got long right at 187, and look what happens. Man, this thing goes to 285, almost a buck on a $2 stock. It definitely unwound after that, but that's just a great setup. Just learn that. And it wasn't just a random gap up, but it was a gap up. Let me take today's candle out of it. After a really high volume, strong day yesterday, that ended up closing. Shorts were kind of confident because they knocked this back down, right? Then today it gaps up, and then on that break of that red to green, just had, this is basically all short covering. Beautiful little squeeze, and that one alone made my day. So yes, it looks toppy, but I want to watch that one because it's been trading so clean that I'm falling in love with that stock. Okay, some cryptos that have pulled back for a couple days. Super interesting tomorrow. NXTD is one of them. Huge move. And then you got 2 nice red days. Very clean setup for a potential bounce tomorrow. LTEA. This thing topped out at almost, what was it? 949. Now it's sitting in 407. Again, this did not deserve this gap up, right? Having said that, it's way, way off its highs, and it's pretty set up for some short covering if we get the right setup. So I want to watch LTEA. ADOM. Huge 2-day move, and now one red day on lower volume. That one might just turn right back up tomorrow. Definitely want to watch that. It makes huge moves at times. I typed that wrong. SGLB. Huge move. Couple days lower on declining volume. Pretty good setup for a bounce tomorrow. TEUM. It's extended, but it had such a huge move here yesterday. from 135 to 315. That this one, sometimes you get a third day play where they surprise you again. Want to watch that one. IGC gapped up 2 red days after the gap up. Don't love trading the gap, the huge gaps that get smacked right down. I don't like trading those as longs after a couple days, but I have seen pretty good bounces in them, so I want to watch that one. And lastly, I'm going to watch NETE, another crypto that, my God, I mean, this was, again, another stupid move. Went all the way to 33.51, but now we're trading at 11.91, back down to the 8-day. Pretty good setup for potential bounce tomorrow. We'll also add some gappers in the pre-market. I'm going to leave it at that. Have a great night. See everybody tomorrow.